Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Apple Magic Trackpad with your laptop. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start using your Apple Magic Trackpad with your laptop. How do you actually go ahead and connect the two together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first things first, you want to make sure that your Apple Magic Trackpad is being charged. So make sure that it's got a good charge to it. You can leave the charger plugged in for about 30 minutes to an hour. After you've gone ahead and charged it, you want to flip this button on and you want to go ahead onto your laptop, navigate to where it says System Settings, then click on Bluetooth, and then find your trackpad under Nearby Devices. So this is where my trackpad is. Now, if you don't see your trackpad there, it might be because your trackpad is already connected to a nearby device. So let's say that you recently connected this to your iMac and you forgot to disconnect it. Just simply make sure that you go back onto your iMac and then disconnect your Apple Magic Trackpad. But once you find it underneath Nearby Devices, go ahead and click on Connect, and underneath My Devices, you should see that your trackpad is now connected. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Apple Magic Trackpad with your laptop. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.